Every year, thousands of pilgrims undertake this journey to the Basilica of Born Jesus. This is their story.
I am Brother Vincent and I am novice, and being as a part of our formation, I began my begging come walking pilgrimage on 18th November. It was a very fruitful experience and I will cherish the rest of my life. Few things I want to share with you all. First is the providence of God. As I began my journey, before that my mind was wrapped up with many thoughts and lot of anxieties. But as I began, I had lot of thoughts about my whether I will get the place to sleep, whether I will get the food, whether people will be hospitable to me or not. But as I walked with Jesus and Jesus journeyed with me, I got the experience of providence of God. I saw that God is always with me and He also journeyed with me, and wherever I need God, He was with me. And wherever I went, I found that God is giving me the experience through the people, through the places, and through my companions, that He is with me and He is journeying with me. So that was something very beautiful that I've experienced, the providence of God in all the areas. Another thing I experienced is humility, a sense of humility. Because coming from the working background, it was not an easy task for me to ask or beg for the food. But because of this virtue of humility, I could ask for food. Definitely, it was initially it was very embarrassing for me, but I could make it. So one thing I learned about myself is that being humble is the best policy. Another thing I want to share with you is about my devotion towards Our Lady and Saint Francis of Xavier. There were some moments where I could not take one more step and I was stuck at certain point. But because of continuous praying, constant intercession of Saint Francis Xavier, I could make it, I could go ahead, and I could finish this journey through the intercession of Our Lady as well as through the intercession of Saint Francis Xavier. And in the entire journey, reciting the rosary was really very helpful. Another thing about the people, I found they were very hospitable during the entire journey. Wherever we went, they were very hospitable. They welcomed us very gracefully. They welcomed us with a lot of love and lot of concern. They were very happy that we have visited their houses, and we prayed for them and they were very happy. And by seeing them, I was also feeling very happy, and it really strengthened my vocation. It strengthened myself. So overall, the whole experience was very beautiful. Overall, the whole experience was very fruitful for me, and definitely this is one of the very important moments of my life that I will cherish the rest of my life. Thank you all.